Today I'm going to show you how to do the add-on for all questions required. As you can see, I've already entered my Google Forms. I'm going to click on the three dots for more, and then I'm going to click on add-ons. When that comes up in the search part, I'm going to type in required questions and then hit enter. Here it says all questions required. As you can tell, I've already downloaded this, so it says manage. If you don't have it already, it would say free and you would click on it and then it would come up. So here's my untitled Google form. I'm going to change the name to Google Add-ons. I'm going to add, there it is, and I want to add it as a quiz. So then I can make all my questions required, and I'm going to save that. With the Google add-on, all questions required, you have two choices. You can require that all the questions are required, or you can require that none of the questions are required. So I'm going to just write a question. It's not going to be anything, whatever, and then here are my options. And then I'll add another question. Scroll down so I can see it. This time it's going to be a drop-down menu. And again, I'll just type whatever. There's option 1, there's option 2, and option 3. Then, as you can see down here, these are not required yet. And neither was my other question. So I can go back to the top where the puzzle piece is, to the add-on, click all questions required, and then here, as I said, you can set all questions required or you can set none as required. So I'm going to set them all required. It's working, and now the required is moved over to purple, and it said that this question is required. Same for this. And that's how I learned how to do all question required on a Google Doc. Thanks for listening.